bad news. We're not going to make another pass.
Massive flock of birds just about flew in the freaking car. It's ridiculous.
Pretty bad. Pretty scary.
All right, we're out here. I guess this is day 2. We're out here for the first run. This is going to be the C group. Blaine will be coming up. They've already got everybody in the lanes. We're just getting ready to get started. So you got 3 lanes open right now. You see all kinds of vehicles over here. Sam taking some photos with some folks. He's suited and booted. You can see all the different cars here. A little bit of everything here. I guess they're running, let's see, 10.0 to maybe 11.5.
Cooling off, it would heat soak too. You'd shut it off and the temperature would just rise.
Wait, there's Blaine's what no way guy.
I like about it. It's just a little beat. Yeah. Oh, you got. Yeah. You got.
We'll just make a walk down through here. Looks like it's funneling down to 2. There's Blaine. He's getting schooling right there. I think they're talking about outlaw attack or something next week. I noticed there's a heavy amount of F-150s here too. Dang, old John Finley be missing out. Wish he had a Mustang. And that's going to end the C class. After this, I think they're running AB slick. And hopefully Blaine puts down a good enough pass to keep his time right. But actually he's getting ready to pull on up. They're moving this lane up pretty quick. What do you think, Ricky Bobby?
Shake and bake.
We're in the lanes here at Bradenton Motorsports Park, and
all right, so we are back to action here as we bring up the 4-door Audi on the right-hand side and the F-150 pickup truck on the opposite side of the ring.
look like Blaine's up. Here we go. This is the first run for Blaine. It's the first group running this morning.
All right, Ernest, we're on the starting line, the Cadillac right-hand side. The 4-eyed Ford Mustang, left-hand side of the racetrack.
So Blaine got in his run. We're back at the pits, which is, I'm not going to say pitiful, but it's different. It's just not Arkansas soil. But anyway, made his pass. Tell us how it went.
Not great, not ideal, but not terrible because nothing broke. Nothing broke, so that's a good pass. It was a little different light. I wasn't ready. I definitely didn't stall it up high enough. We ran an 11.47, not too bad, but definitely not what we were supposed to do. Yeah, so.
You'll have to say it, but we'll have to make another run.
We'll have to make another pass. We'll have to. All right, what's up, guys? So, come with some bad news. We're not gonna make another pass. So they're still on the heavy hitters, and then we got a whole nother D class with about 100 vehicles in it, just trying to make passes. So we're just gonna go ahead and turn in 11.47. Not ideal, but we're just trying to complete Sick Week, right? It's our first one. But we're about to head up.
We'll go do some sightseeing.
Yeah, we got to do some sightseeing. We're going to Orlando. Got a few sights to see on the way there. But we're going to be driving up the coast, and we're even staying in Cocoa Beach on an island.
Yeah, so that's going to be pretty cool. But what did you say, how many stops we have? Did you mention
So
that?
we got 2 stops. We got to go to Charlotte's Webb's Pub, which is about 30 minutes. And then we got Larson's Motorsports. Is that it?
I believe so.
Close to the to Orlando. But as we were packing up, this sweet GTO came up, 900 horsepower. Take a look at that bad boy.
Yeah, that's a monster. What do you say?
Yeah.
I've got it cut down so I can run 10.
Yeah, he's got to cut down to run past the 10 because he doesn't want to put a roll cage in there. But he said he's been 9s, so good for him.
All right, so I guess on to the first checkpoint.
Checkpoint.
Well, we just left out of the Freedom Factory / Bradenton Motorsports Park. We had the windows down, sunroof open, and a massive flock of birds just about flew in the freaking car. It's ridiculous.
It's pretty bad, pretty scary.
Yeah, Blank tried to roll up his window real quick, but I think in the process he ducked and closed his eyes, which is not cool because we could have been blasted. But look at that sky. It's probably one of the best days we've had down here. Weather, I think it's probably 70 something, and it's been beautiful. So on to the next stop.
We're back, okay? We're at Larson's Motorsports, Palm Bay, Florida. We got the cars out here, everybody dragging in. We're doing a little car show out here, but what's really cool is on the inside. Dad's got some really cool pictures and videos he's gonna show you, but a lot of cool cars, memorabilia, and some NASA engines. But they also got food trucks, bago, a bunch of friends and family out here, but
Thank you. What do you think?
what's up with these people having me sign everything?
I don't know. Dude, there's grab bags and waters right there.
Hey guys, how are you doing? Doing well? You guys competitors? All right, then you're telling me anything on this table. Okay, help yourselves. Got some bags to carry all that stuff around if you want. If you don't have an autograph from the girls, they're both out there, get your autograph with them.
Wow.
And you guys need this for later on?
No, I think we're
No?
okay.
All right, just checking.
Thank you, brother.
Yeah, we had some little goodie bags for everybody that shows up. We had competition earlier today where where the guys are actually looking inside the cup saying, no, I don't want that candy bar, I want this candy bar.
Austin, check out this NASA engine.
We're about to scoot on out of here so we can get to the hotel and get some food later.
Well, we just left Larson's and we're heading to our hotel. And I should have got the side view, but this bridge is almost unbelievable. Merritt Island, is that where we're going? Merritt Island? And I guess is that Indian River. But man, this bridge is high. It's really hard to see out there. I don't know if we can actually get a good shot. Whoop, I just hit the windshield. I don't want to roll the window down, lose my stuff. I wish I would have got that side profile shot. What's your thoughts?
It's pretty high.
Yeah, it was. When you said, is that the bridge we're going over?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Pretty high bridge.
pretty high bridge. I'll try to get one maybe tomorrow. We got to come back across it, don't we? I would imagine, so. And I guess our hotel is only 2.8 miles away.
What?
Oh, sorry. I look at your before we make a next turn. So 13 miles away, but it's also on an island. And it's,
We're about to go over another one.
yeah. They don't have a lot of oak trees around here. They do where we come from, but not here. Oh, sweet mini truck. You gonna lay him over, or what are we doing here? Sorry about that mini truck. Oh, another bridge. I think Blaine really enjoys bridges. Is that right?
Nobody in Florida knows how to drive.
Well, I wouldn't say that, dude.
Get better.
All right, we went over the Banana River. I don't know how those are two different river names, being that they're same body of water, seem like. All right. Well, we're going to keep on trucking. Hopefully we'll check this out. I'm trying to get us some good beach shots with the car. See you, man. Down at Bradenton, heading on to the first stop.